Well, hey y'all, it's Darlene Liker, and it's a Make It Monday. It's a hot July day, and I am going to share with you my cooling spray that I am going to make with peppermint oil. So I have my amber color glass. Can you see that? Pretty, isn't it? And I'm going to put, 8 drops. It's a 2-ounce bottle. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I may have shared this with you before that I've done this, and I ended up giving a bottle to an air conditioner guy that was at our last house because our attic was so stinking hot, right? And he was just about to die, so I sprayed it on him. He loved it. I said, here, take it with you. Stay cool, dude. It's called sharing the love, right? Sharing your oils. And you just put the spray top on, and what do? We shake it, baby, shake it, shake it. Now, you want to make sure you don't get this in your eyes because it is peppermint oil, y'all. And remember, if you do, you take tissue or a paper towel and you put some carrier oil on it and you dab it right here in the center part of your eye right there, and it will attract the oil out of your eyeball. Immediately. It is amazing how fast that works. But oil and water don't mix. So don't try to wash it out with water. Use a carrier oil, vegetable oil, coconut oil, anything like that. So there you have it. You have your cooling spray, and keep that handy during these hot summer months. Y'all live well.